Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoYara. I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to be talking about MindOS, a powerful AI platform that allows users to create and manage virtual AI beings, also known as AI geniuses. AI geniuses can be used for a variety of tasks, such as customer service, sales, marketing, social media, financial advisor, and content creation, etc. In this video, I'll show you how to use these AI tools in an easy way. So, let's get started.
To use MindOS, first you have to visit their website. Website links are given in the description box. You can simply come to the home page by clicking the link. On this page you have to create an account to use these tools. To create your account, click on Login or Sign Up. Now you can sign up with your Google account or email. After your account process is done, you have to come to the home page. And here you can see there are many types of tools available to use, like Industry Analyst, US Stock Analyst, TripAdvisor. Here you can see how many people have used this tool and rating given by people for each tool. Here you will find the category of genius, like professional, daily, creative, new. You can use the search bar also for searching any tool. Now let's talk with Jenny. To talk with this tool, click on Chat.
I'm Jenny, what can I do for you?
Here you can talk with this AI tool. Type your message in the given message box and click Send.
Hello. How can I assist you today? Sure. Here are some of the best AI tools available.
Now you can see she is giving me all types of info related to AI and talking. You can ask your question by speaking with this option. And if you want to clear your chat, then simply click here. Now you can use all these AI tools one by one with this process. You can create a new genius from here. I am not going to show you how to create a new genius because the video will be very long. But if you want to learn how to create a new genius, then comment and we will create another video on this topic. Let's try some other genius. In the new section, here we are going to try this social media writer tool. Click on it. Now here you have to tell her, what content would you like to write? For example, I am asking her this question. Now wait and watch. Here your answer is ready.
So I hope you have learned something new from this video. In conclusion, I would like to say that MindOS is a powerful AI platform that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. In this video, I showed you how to use it to complete some common tasks.
If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest AI tools and technologies, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel TechnoYara and hit the notification bell for never miss any update. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you and see you next time.